Intracorporeal inguinal hernia repair in cars. Ergonomics for this right-sided hernia. Monitor on the right side of the foot end. Surgeon on the left side. Assistant to the right of the surgeon. Instrumental to the left of the surgeon. Cables are attached for right-sided hernia to the on the left side at foot end, or left-sided hernia on the right side. And for right-sided hernia, 3 ports are camera port, left flank at the level of umbilicus, left iliac fossa. This is for left inguinal hernia. And for bilateral cases, at the same level, camera and on each side of the flank, and surgeon stands here, assistant towards the head end. For right-sided hernia, surgeon here and assistant here. And introducing the needle with the thread for intracorporeal suturing. I am introduced through here, but it can be introduced anywhere in this on the skin, or alternatively needle can be straightened and put through a port.